Carnival's private island
Yeah, Bacan.
in the Bahamas. Yeah, checking it out. But look at next door, Carnival Pride, next to this big thunder.
Oh, we gotta get our traditional photo.
Kind of a dreary day, but we don't plan on being on here long. Just walk around, check it out. First time being here. Here, listen to music. Celebration Key. Hashtag key to paradise. Here's the ultimate test. We're gonna see if the water's cold. Because that's my kryptonite for sure. Kryptonite, here we go. Oh. Yeah, it's not the warmest. But yeah, it's not, I'm not jumping right in it for sure. It's not terrible. It's very clear though. That's nice. Here, check it out. Very nice. One of the, for the lagoon here, says don't swallow the water. You could put it in your mouth, but don't swallow it. That was a joke from this person.
Please gather your belongings and make your way back to the pier immediately. See you on the next visit.
They just made an announcement about they're experiencing some inclement weather. So we're just trying to get back on the boat, not be completely soaked. Here's my little person. There she is. So wet. We're on vacation, yay! It is hashtag paradise. Backpacking on my lady love. Here we go. We're getting on the boat.
Well, it doesn't seem like it's raining as hard now.
We should be alright. It's not gonna be that bad.